Hey loves, welcome back to Cook with Antoinette T. I'm Antoinette T, and today I'm sharing what I cook for my baby. A simple, nutritious, and super filling meal that is perfect for little tummies. It's made with unripe banana, potatoes, carrot, green peas, onion, and tomato, all boiled and blended to the perfect texture for baby. So if you're a new mom looking for easy baby recipes, this one is a winner. Let's get right into it. So here is what you'll need: one unripe banana, and this is great for digestion and energy. You'll also need some potatoes, which are rich in carbs and keeps the baby full. You'll also need one carrot that is loaded with vitamin A for eyesight. Also, a handful of green peas is a good source of protein and fiber. Next is onion, which adds flavor and helps with immunity. You can either use bulb onion or spring onion. Any can work with this recipe. And the last ingredient that you need is more tomato that is rich in vitamin C and a little thyme. And I love this combo because it's well balanced and my baby seemed to love it. So you have got carbs, fiber, vitamins, and it's all natural baby food with no added sugar or salt. First thing, we are going to peel and chop everything into small chunks to help them cook faster. I usually steam or boil all the ingredients together in one pot and just add enough water to cover them and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until everything is soft. Once cooked, I let it cool off for a few minutes, then blend it into a smooth puree. You can also smash it with a fork if your baby is a bit older and is used to the textures. Part about this recipe is that my baby absolutely loved it. She finishes the bowl every single time. If you try this baby food recipe, please let me know in the comments. Also, what do you cook for your little ones? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy baby recipes, ideas, and mom life content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.